or whatever. It is your girl Shay. You are watching Glamplified Beauty. I'm sorry if I seem out of it. I'm just kind of tired, and this wig is killing me. I look like Bruce Lee cousin in them. Like, but anyway, this video is on my BoxyCharm and my Ipsy bag. I already opened my BoxyCharm because I was kind of curious to see what exactly I was going to be getting, or the lip color, because if it was a good color, then I would wear it today. But anyway, if you guys don't know, I do monthly BoxyCharm spoilers almost every month, and I already did this one, so I already know what's inside. So it is not new to me, but it will be new to you guys to see what I got in my bag, in my box, and also to see what I got on my Ipsy, and also showing you guys head to head and letting you guys know what I think is the good part, the bad part, the ugly part. If you don't know, BoxyCharm is a $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 beauty products, sometimes 6, and they are all full sized and worth more than what you pay for the box. Okay, one item will be worth more than what you pay for the box. For Ipsy is a $10 subscription, I want to say. If not, the correct price will be on the screen right now. But that Ipsy has 4 to 5 items, sometimes travel, sometimes deluxe, comes with brushes, sometimes face mask or whatever. But yeah, here is mine right here. This is what my month looks like. Nice and yellow, dark yellow. I like this color. I like yellow. Yellow is so pretty. Yellow feels like it's me, like I'm yellow on the inside, you know. No? Okay, but anyway, let's start with Ipsy since it costs the least. And here is the little tag. It's a heart and it says Ipsy, and you already seen this is the back, this is the front. Let's dig in. So the first thing I got from them is from Supernatural Beauty. It is their Delectable Super Blend Beautifier Body Buttercream and Triple Citrus Blend. Mine's is closed, so I'm just going to open that right quick. Okay. Alright, and first thing first, it smells, it is cruelty free and vegan free, because it says so right here on the bottle. Show them right there. It has a little bunny, and it is created in Canada. The first ingredient is water. It has shea butter, orange, tangerine, and grapefruit oils. No parabens, prolactin, and try something. Okay. It has all those stuff in it. It doesn't have that stuff in it. So yeah. I smell the orange. That's mostly what I smell, is the orange. And it's not an overpowering smell. It is an okay smell. But I'm going to keep this one because I have some lotion downstairs in my purse, which I need to replace. So this would be a good replacement. Yeah. It's nice absorbing. It said body butter. Okay. So, this is the card. In celebration of Pride Week. It says Flying Colors, Ipsy, June 2018. That's what the card looks like. The next item is Ofra blush, and I got my blush in Melon. You can use it in palettes and kits. This is what it looks like. And as y'all know, I always do a video with these products, a try on video with these products. But this is what this product, okay, it didn't break. Okay, this is what this product looks like here. Nice pinky coral. Yeah, you can have that. You can put in your purse or something. But this is what this one looks like here. Nice and pink. Would I wear it? Definitely light-handedly. So that is that. Okay, and the next item that we have is Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. Now this I could use. This is the Base Hydrant Primer. As y'all know, it has different steps. 1, 2, 3. Mattifying, blah, blah, blah. But this is that one. And I'm not going to try it on in this video. I'll just try it on in another video. And the next product we have is Hey Honey, Come Clean Something Mineral Facial Scrub for all skin types. It's rich, deep cleaning formula that purifies and resurfaces skin to reveal a smooth, radiant texture. So, show them the product, camera. That is what that looks like. And of course, I can't try this on in video. So, and the last item for the month of June, Ipsy 2018, is this palette right here. And this is the one I will be doing a look on. So this is from Pacifica. And this is their Tomboy Vibe Natural Mineral Eyeshadow Palette. It's 100% vegan and cruelty free. These are what the colors look like on Zadak.
Wow, that feels like...
Even True Beauty knows it's what's on the inside that matters.
This looks like beer and honey.
Sure.
Beer and honey.
Anyway, this is the palette up close and personal. I really want to dig into that lime green, but I think I'm going to probably do like a regular schmegula glowy eye look. Rose gold. I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to use this in my next video. I don't want to do swatches just yet. So I'll keep that there. And usually with these bags, I usually hold it until the end of the month, the year, and do a giveaway. But with this bag, I promised my daughter that I would give it to her. Just like my other bag with the butterflies. But yeah, that is her bag. Now you can... Alright. BoxyCharm. This is what it looks like on the outside. Inside. And here is the card. I already know what, so I'm not even gonna act like I'm surprised, like, oh, they put this in there. I already know. But you guys, some of you guys might not know yet. And I want to say this first before I even start this. BoxyCharm is now doing upgraded boxes where you will get more bang for your buck. So if you want to do upgrades on BoxyCharm, Yusuf himself said that they will be doing upgraded boxes for BoxyCharm members only. So if you're a BoxyCharm member, you will get the email or notification of when they do it. They said they will be putting it on all the Boxy sneak peek BoxyCharm spoilers or whatever forum. Okay, so this month's theme for BoxyCharm is Caribbean Queen. And as you know, on the other side it always has the coupons for money off. And here's a picture of the creator and Kathleen Lights. I mean, other people in Kathleen Lights for the BoxyCharm. But yeah, it is Caribbean Queen. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is the palette, of course, because it's the first thing in the booklet. Let me know if y'all liking this wig. But this is the palette. The palette retails for $28. And I think that it is well worth the $28. This is one of Kathleen's favorites. This is the Alamar Queen palette from Gabby, who is also the CEO of BoxyCharm. So this is what this palette looks like here. Let me take the plastic off. This is what the palette looks like, and I will do swatches in another video. So it's very pretty. It does have a scent that I'm not really feeling, but it's neither here nor there. The next one is these garbage ass Baddington lashes that I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with, because they just so damn baby thin. I'm gonna probably give them away, or I'm gonna just give them away. I'm gonna put them in my giveaway stash. So these are the Paddington lashes in Monroe, and they are 3D silk. They do feel really soft, but they just not me. They just not. Just don't give me no lashes, okay? If this is what you're gonna bring me, don't bring me no lashes, cause I can't do nothing with that. Okay, the next thing is what everybody I guess was so excited for. I don't know why, but this is the Sol de Janeiro bum cream, Brazilian bum cream. Oh, and the lashes, these shits right here retails for $28. Yeah, $28 for these babies. Why? And this looks I don't want to say it because my daughter is in the room, but this looks suspect. This looks funny. Change our logo. Change the logo, Paddington, okay? But this is the bum cream. It's inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the bum. It's creamy and rich in geranium, whoever, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. Okay, so anyway, it smells good though, for real. That smells fucking awesome. That smells awesome. It smells good. I like it. And it is very moisturizing. And it is fast absorbing. Put them back. Texture contains just enough mica to add a perfect Brazilian glow. I don't know about a glow, but yeah. Helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest with pistachio caramel leaves skin delicately fragrance. I can smell it. I definitely can smell the caramel. But that was that.
Oh, can I smell?
Then the next thing we have is something I am definitely putting in a BoxyCharm, and BoxyCharm. I'm putting in a giveaway, and this is the Luxie 3-piece flawless complexion brush. This retails for $42. If I didn't mention the bum cream, the little travel size retails for $10. But this is the Luxie 3-piece flawless complexion brushes. This is what they look like. And I might keep one or two of them, but I'm definitely giving this one away, which is the dual fiber powder brush. I don't know how that would be a powder brush, but whatever. But I would definitely keep these to blend out contours and stuff.
Ew.
So
the caramel, but it stinks. Ooh, can I have that? Yeah,
and then the other two things that I got was the Janté Bleu eyeliner pencil in charcoal. Not using this bullshit, so I'm just gonna put it in the giveaway. And then the last thing that I got was this lippy from Girl Lactic, and we go sit down now.
Okay, I'll sit down.
We always get stuff from them. If I didn't tell you, the Luxie brushes was $42, but this is the Girl Lactic, and this is in the shade Playful. I don't know how playful it'd be, but here we go. This is what it looks like. Nice mauvey browny pinky color. It will dry down to a beautiful matte color that will be noticeably dramatic without the dryness or the flaking. So my look tomorrow, in my next video, will have to include these items. As y'all know, gotta do what I gotta do. But yeah, that is all for my unboxing for my Ipsy and my BoxyCharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy. So let me know down below which one you thought was better. Was it the Ipsy or was it the BoxyCharm? To me, I'm always gonna have to say that BoxyCharm was good, only because it's full-size products for my $21, and you best believe I will be getting the upgraded version when the upgraded version come out. As for Ipsy, it's hit or miss with me because it's a lot of travel size items that you can actually use on the go. And also subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if y'all want to see anything, let me know. Oh, and she said thumbs up the video as well. So if you guys want to see anything else from me, don't forget to comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.